How to change your fantasy Premier League team name. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Here, make sure that you are signed in, and now, in order to change your team name, tap on the Pick Team option you see there, and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Team Details under the Admin tab. So tap on the Team Details option you see there, and you will see the option for Team Name text box. So tap on the Team Name text box you see there, and then go ahead and rename or change the name and make all the required changes in your team name that you want. And finally, tap on the Update Details option you see there. And with this, your changes will be saved. So this was about how you can change your team name on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.